Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today in this video we'll show you how to view all chat media on Discord on PC, so you can easily find images, videos and files shared in your conversations. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Discord app on your PC. Once you're in, navigate to the specific chat, direct message or server where you want to search for media. Step 2 now, look at the top right corner of the screen and find the search bar. This search bar is the main tool you'll use to filter and locate shared media. Step 3, click on the search bar to activate it. To filter media, type the keyword as followed by the colon, and type the content you're looking for. For example, type has.image. After typing your search term, press enter to find images, or type has.video. After typing your search term, press enter to find videos. You can also use filters like chaz.link or has.file. Press enter depending on what you want to locate. You'll instantly see a list of all matching media from that chat or server, making it quick and easy to browse through shared content. You've successfully learned how to view all chat media on Discord on PC in just a few simple steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Discord tutorials.